Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about how to install and activate Britbox on Roku. Britbox is an online subscription based streaming service which is known for British content. It streams content like movies, TV shows, series, original shows from UK based production companies, content from BBC and ITV and comedies, etc. Britbox is available on various devices including Roku Stick and TV. Since Britbox is available on the Roku channel store, it is easy to install. Let's see how to install and activate Britbox on Roku. I will explain step by step process. Please keep watch on this video. First of all, open your Roku connected TV and go to the home screen. In that, select streaming channels. Now select search channels and type Britbox. Select Britbox app from the search result and click on add channel. After that, then Britbox app will be installed and then click OK button to confirm. Now click on go to channel and start using it. Here I will explain how to activate Britbox on Roku. Open Britbox and it will display an activation code. Now go to any browser on your PC or smartphone. Visit the activation link and enter the activation code and click on activate. After that, log in into your account and start using the app. Thank you. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.